Good day everyone. Today we're gonna go walk to here in Baguio City. We're gonna walk the city. And anyways, I want to greet you all. Happy Chinese New Year. More blessings to all of us and our families. Thank you for watching. Let's go. So this is my favorite Santo Niño Chapel here in Camp Allen. So this is the gate of Camp Allen. Going there is Bukaucan and Nagilian Road. Here's Abanao. So that's City Hall. Gonna go. I forgot it's holiday. There's no office. Okay, I forgot. It's Chinese New Year, it's holiday. So, there's no office in City Hall. Baguio City Hall. So, hello everyone. We're here in Baguio City Hall. I think Baguio, our City Hall or Municipal Hall or anything, we have the best looking City Hall or Municipal Hall here in the Philippines. I think we have the best looking. Look at the garden. I'll show you the garden. Let's go. Look at the plants. Flowers. Look. I'm so proud, and I think Baguio City has the best city hall ever compared to different city hall or municipal halls. Look. Okay, the door is locked there. We need to pass here. We cannot exit. Look at this. Look at that stone. It's like a leg. There is Abanao, so we're going there.
Ang buray ka, tagdi ka, tagdi na lang lang. Like ko naman.